Our country people, things they really happen. They just catch one woman now with a neighbor husband. In neighbor husband, you don't leave your husband thing don't tire you. Now your neighbor own, now you can't see say it's sweet. Women will not even get shame at all. You know, see, if you won't even do them, go far, go do them. Not be for inside the same compound, or be the same house. Now you go come see and say, Nadia, you want the chop love for. Make her watch this video.
Right? Yes. This woman where you with the romance, so now your wife? But you not another man wife. You know another man wife. Huh? You know why you go to blow her?
Why you go to fuck her?
Huh?
Who does this?
Mama Purity, this Papa Basit and your guy, which one sweet pass?
Which one call pass?
Which one sweet pass?
Don't talk your truth because you don't marry. No, talk your truth.
Which one sweet pass? Okay. Papa Basit, Mama Purity and your wife, oh, which one sweet pass?
Talk your truth.
Okay. Now your wife, now so Mama Purity, you know they sweet you.
You see, so you are the way to make you the wash your clothes.
You know they wash your gown.
I dey wash my gown. And they pay me for the clothes. If I wash, they pay me for the clothes.
Then after you wash finish, you now go make swegbe.
Where they fuck you, they pay food.
They give me money, man.
Wait till they talk.
Talk.
Wait, question with me, they are very simple question. When they fuck you, if they pay a pin and love,
If they give me money, my tea.
but you they love her.
Remove that cloth there.
You love her, thought you yes or no. We know what we have. Case of tomorrow, nothing deny you.
Oh yeah, Mona show na ring. Mona show na wedding ring.
Go na wedding ring.
Mona take wear today. Show your wedding ring.
Take away. Oh yeah, Mona carry my near shoulder. Carry my near shoulder. Carry my near shoulder. So as you do wedding with this man, so now, say your man don't come down now. Yes or no? Huh?
This one,
Your man
this
don't
one now, this wedding one I will do so now for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
Yes or
in
no?
sickness and in health. Oh yeah, kiss your bride. Mama Purity, kiss your bride.
Give me that cake.
And I don't see as the two of them sit down on top of their leg. This man somebody they call Baba Basiru. Baba Basiru, oh, you no even get shame for body. Person wife and you say get wife. What you call even bust my mind now? The girl can't talk say this man thing sweet passing husband own. Sugar dey inside this thing. I be they chook honey inside the thing because I don't even can't understand though. They don't they put sweetener inside this thing where we say as you they do them, the thing they sweet. As you know say your husband own no sweet. If I leave the man, I be you divorce the man. Which one can be this man own sweet? Now, make a contact what can shock me. As they ask this man can't talk say him prefer him wife own. See as this man give him shock of his life. Say him prefer him wife own no. Say him wife own sweet. See, disgrace. That means your own no even sweet at all. You wait talk say person own sweet. And as they look say the man they try protect his marriage because if he talk say this in wife own no sweet, now another palaver for them. Now make can just agree say this in wife own sweet pass the. See this fine woman. See as you fine. What do you they find? Married woman. And this woman, how this matter even happen? She say she dey go Baba Basiru house, go help am wash. See all these people go your house, go help you work, maybe cook, do now there this love, behind lost, start to they grow. So they can't start to they do things, so they can't catch them. Can't sit down on top of the man. Two of them never even they shame self. But how you want to do? If you know say woman they hungry you, go far. Be making her go hotel where they do all this kind of thing. No be inside the same compound. When I go on chop love, now no go even hide them. Now they do them in the open. Baba Basiru, as it be like this now, what do you want to do? What do you want to tell your wife? Leave your wife. If you know say your marriage no favor you, leave the person now. Now people they talk say, why they go bring them out publicly in shame? They insult them. Yes, what did they do? In fact, they deserve them well. If you know say you wan cheat, leave your husband, leave your partner, follow person wey you wan go dey follow cheat with. No be say you come dey do am dey hide, dey come catch you, you come dey shout say na devil na him talk say make you do this one. Na I no come understand o, Mr. Sweetener. The thing don sweet you so tey you don go carry you enter another level. As e be like this, bia na divorce, na the wife own sef na go even lose pass. Because now you don't talk am for public say but the questions wey they even ask na mumu questions. Una go catch people, now when they ask them why you do this thing, the thing sweet. All those kind of questions na mumu question na. Make una at least pity them, leave them, judge them privately. No be say na go dey video their face, they post am online say hope say you enjoy the thing. Hope say all those ones na rubbish to me. Last, if you know say the thing vex you, over vex you, maybe na go, I don't know, where they will carry them go police station. How they even take judge this kind of matter? I don't understand. Make a comments because I don't know as they take judge this kind of matter. Say if they catch person with another person husband, which law they against this thing? When we say two of them they married though. Which law they won't give? Because I know say they go divorce them ni, abi the person go jail. Because it they happen. Forget say they catch these people. Most men they get girlfriend outside. Most women get mad. In fact, they date people will be say they don't even old. Go fit burn them times 10. You go see Yoruba married woman. This one I forget. You go see them. They get more than 10 boyfriend outside. If they cook begiri soup today, they go share them. Baba Isaka get his own. Yasikuru, everybody gets his own. Forget that they do them. This one now because of say they just catch this man and this woman. Now make everything boss. People where they do them for the secret. The day where God go catch na the kind thunder where go strike na. He still they prepare for where he did. But as the matter be like this, making a comment or anything when I feel about this matter, making a write them for the comment section. But making don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel as I go see you now for our next video.